Hello everybody. Today
Hey guys.
we got some packages from IKEA and we're gonna be renovating our kitchen.
We're doing a big renovation, huh?
Yeah.
So we were planning
have packages here.
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys what we're doing. We've been planning this for a while. Today we got the delivery. We got some cabinets from IKEA. We're gonna do some renovation. We actually got most of the kitchen stuff out already. Alright, so here's our kitchen. Forget our mess. So
what we're gonna do is that we're gonna remove this.
we're getting rid of that.
Remove this and we're putting it like a new.
Right, so this it started because of this. This drawer is old and broken.
Yeah.
This is not really working for us. Mama doesn't like it, so we're gonna redo this whole entire area.
Yeah.
We're gonna put two cabinets on the bottom.
Is annoying.
Right, we're gonna remove this stuff. We're gonna put two cabinets on the bottom, a counter, and hanging cabinets above. Right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get this
I
started.
don't know how the stuff looks like, so I'm excited to see it.
Well, we're all gonna find out together. Enjoy.
Bye. Today we're showing you that
we what? Finished?
we finished the kitchen.
The kitchen is done.
Yeah. So this.
Let's see what we did.
Tab.
New cabinets with drawers, so kids can get their stuff.
My mom filled up it with stuff.
Nice. All right. So what else do we do?
Yeah.
We put a new
These cabinets.
floor cabinets, right? We put a new countertop. Yeah.
And whenever you need to recycle plastic bottles or cans.
Oh, we've got a custom shelf with a charger for the
There's
vacuum.
more cabinets.
More cabinets on this side. Okay, cool. Those are the same as the other ones.
And
Then we put
got this top.
the hanging
where we put
cabinets.
all of the glass.
Yep, with soft
the
closed
bottles.
doors.
And here is the pantry.
Here we go. More stuff on top,
And
soft close.
just in case we need any extra stuff.
And then you counter space, yeah.
If you're so good, one time we lay down on it.
What's this? We put in new tiles, right? And the backsplash. And then what else do we do?
We got Alexa.
We could put an Alexa in here.
And we put
So let's show them how we turn on the lights in the kitchen. What? Hey Alexa, turn on the kitchen lights.
Okay.
Whoa, oh yeah, we
Or-
forgot.
we could do this.
We put in kitchen lights and it's
the litter
a
box is
motion
down there.
motion detected.
And the litter box is down here.
And
for
the litter
kids.
box is still down there for the cat.
And we move the microwave here
We move the microwave
here.
so it's easier for kids to
so I
use.
can make my chicken nuggets myself.
Whoa, okay. Well, so what do we think? How did it come out, Jakey?
Really good.
Think so?
Yeah.
How about we ask our friends to tell us what they think?
What do you think? Rate it in the comments.
Yeah, let us know how you like it.
0 out of 10.
What?
No.
10 out of
0 to 10.
That's right, from 0 to 10. Let us know what do you think. By the way, if you guys like him, you got him at IKEA. Not a sponsor yet. Alright, so what do we say to our friends?
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. What's your next step?
Alright.
Wait.
Alright.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel. What's your next step?